Alright, and good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders and analysts. This is Mike Costa, or better say in Europe it's Michael Costa, the FX boss, and this is the Professional Trading Course 101. Never forget, everybody, trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way. What is the goal for you is to go from zero to a millionaire trader in 3 years. In an institutional way. What is the institutional way? Say it with me. Exactly. First the analyst, then the trader. First the analyst, then the trader. And we are trying to be a good analyst with this, all of this knowledge, right? From the manual, Forex Course 101 manual. It's for you to be a good and effective analyst, right, everybody? We're going to talk more about in the end, because some of you are sending questions to the email, which is super cool, but you still don't get it, you know. You still don't get it, but the analyst and trading, and why the analyst. Alright? And never forget, with the right information, I can become consistently profitable trader. Some of the right information, you have the 5 points in here. We are not going to waste any time. But also, never forget that you're going to graduate from this course when, number one, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. Number two, you have a strategy in place and you understand how probabilistic thinking affects your strategy. And number three, you have a complete understanding of how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated guess. Hello Misha, how are you? Hi, can I also have the... Sure. I'm sorry, I didn't have time yet. I'm going to send you later, okay? I know you sent me the email. And everybody, for questions and homeworks, you have my Gmail, and for other business webinars, additional courses, you know, like the basket course and Fibonacci mastery course, alright? And of course, as Mishek is saying, you know, if you didn't receive the free manual, ask for it, okay? I'm going to send you after the lesson, alright? Now, that being said, everybody, type in the chat a currency pair that you believe it's in an uptrend. Today we have trading support and resistance pivot points, how to trade support in an uptrend. So type in the chat, everybody, a currency pair and a time frame where you believe that the market is in an uptrend. So we're going to address, yes, it could be the short-term trend, everybody, or it could be the market wave, right? So how to trade? No, this is from yesterday, right? Today, this is what we're going to do today. We're going to find trading opportunities with past support. No, there is no right or wrong. You can type any currency pair. I mean, not exotic, please. No Turkish ruble. I mean Turkish lira or Russian ruble, right? Or Brazilian real. Yes, any time frame. Students, clients on YouTube. You too, type in the chat. First comes, first is served. Find the currency pair and the time frame that it's or in an up market wave. Alright, up market wave. Or that it's in a short-term uptrend, which is, we've learned this from the manual, right? Previous lessons. What forms the market wave is the short-term trend. You have extension, retracement, extension. So try to find an up market wave or trying to find a short-term trend where the market is in an uptrend. Yes, there is no right or wrong. The biggest support resistance pivot points are charted from the monthly, correct? The big ones. But then talking about patterns, you could have different reversals. Make sense? Hello Vlad, how are you? Euro dollar daily chart. Alright, thank you very much. Clone chart. Euro dollar daily chart, everybody. Euro dollar daily chart. And I'm going to close all the trades, right, everybody? Close position, just to get rid of the close position. This is from the Forex trading week. Close position, close position, close position. All right, there you go. Give me a second. All right. Euro dollar daily chart, everybody. So do we agree that back in time that euro dollar was, we've learned trend lines, right? That euro dollar was above the uptrend line. Agreed, everybody? Do we agree? Type in the chat yes, I agree, or type in the chat no, I don't agree. So a good analyst is using trend lines. And we can say, alright, back in time, this was the uptrend line. Hello Alexander, how are you? Did you receive my email? Alright, then do we agree that also back in time, but you don't know the future, right? This is an exercise. But back in time, then the market was, this was the downtrend line, and back in time now the market broke, right? The market broke the downtrend line too. Do we agree, everybody? Do we agree? So the market was making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, right? Give me a second to right click. And then the market stopped making lower lows or highs and start making higher highs, higher lows. This is a high, that's not a low, so like this. Do we agree, everybody? Type in the chat yes, I agree, or type in the chat no, I don't agree. Hello Clara, how are you? Hello Sandy, how are you? Do we agree, everybody? Back in time, the market broke the downtrend line and start making higher highs, higher lows, yes? Alright, now, how to trade support in an uptrend? Remember, everybody, it could be the short-term trend, alright? Now remember the lesson about higher time frames and smaller time frames? Type in the chat, I remember, or type in the chat, oh, I don't remember. Or I'm new here, even better. And if you recall, everybody, the lesson about higher time frames and smaller time frames, and the lesson about the trading time frame, alright? Now, talking about no, there is no right or wrong. No, this is not a strategy, this is a concept, alright? Okay, now, if I want to trade, remember the name of this module is timing and retracement trading. Okay? If I want to trade the daily chart, I'm going to see the change in the short-term trend on Vlad, I'm new here, very good. In the short-term trend on the 4-hour chart, alright, or 2-hour chart, 4-hour chart, 2-hour chart, 1-hour chart. Okay, Vlad, if you are fresh new, this is the path. You know, this is the how to become a professional trader in an institutional way. You start with Forex course 101. Alright, here is the manual, and this manual is going to help you to become a good analyst first. Alright? My goal is to bring you from zero to a millionaire trader in 3 years in an institutional way. What is the institutional way? First the analyst, then the trader. Alright? So Forex course 101, it's all about being a good analyst, a better analyst. It's all about the market. Forex course 202, it's the money phase. It's about the strategies and the business and the edge and the risk strategies and so on and so on. And Forex course Forex course 303, it's how to have the Lambo. Yeah, not that easy, right? Some people are here, but there are pizza trade. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Alright, and if you don't have the manual, Mishek, again, I'm sorry I didn't have time today, but send me an email, you can have the manual for free. Alright, back to class. So this is not a strategy, but it's a concept. If I want to trade the daily chart, I'm going to see the change in the short-term trend on the 4-hour, 2-hour, 1-hour chart, right? Now, this is the daily, everybody, the daily, alright? Now this is theory, this is the daily, but on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, you are going to see more swings, alright? So this is the daily. Now on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour chart, you are going to see something similar but more swings, alright everybody? You are looking at this now. Let's go step by step, alright? Alright, now listen carefully. You are looking at the same price action, you are looking at the same pattern, but from a different time frame, from a different binocular if you want. Alright? The daily has the candles, the 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour has the swings, like higher high, higher low, lower low, lower high. Fisher, how to apply for the manual? Manual, send me a Gmail, Fisher, please. Alright. Now talking about Forex course 202, you can send me an email too, alright? And everybody, Forex course 202, it's not for free, alright? Forex course 101, it's a gift from Duca's copy. Forex course 202, it's not for free. Alright, there is a price to pay. Price is a filter on how serious you are. Alright everybody? And for Vlad, right? Vlad, if you are complete new, please go back to Duca's Copy Academy. Give me a second everybody. Give it a second. So Vlad, go to Duca's Copy Academy on YouTube and you go to playlist, alright, and start to watch full systematic Forex course, lesson number 1, or professional trader course 2000, lesson number, it's all the same. But we are over this one, we closed with the last lesson, so we start a new one. It's called full systematic Forex course, and here you have lesson number 1, what is market structure. Alright, and so yeah, I'm going to rearrange the camera in the next days. Alright, I didn't have time everybody, it's December, it's crazy, you know. And going back in here, Alexander says yes, thank you. Sophia, I'm new too. Sophia, the same to you. Please go back to the Duca's Copy Academy, start to watch lesson number 1. Alright, Fisher, send me an email. Alright everybody, so back to class. Alright, now we are looking at the same pattern but from a different time frame, from a different perspective, alright? Now, how to trade support in an uptrend? From the daily chart, we are going to chart an area of past support, right? Now, support and resistance, everybody, it's the only tool and the only indicator that it's chart from right to the left. Alright, this is the only one. All the other tools and indicators, you go from left to right, like a trend line. Makes sense? Yes, this is a concept. Alright, so this is, if this is just an example, so if this is the most recent high on any time frame, you know, you are going to go left and you're going to go down, 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 and then you are building kind of set of stairs. You know, you are connecting the highs if you want, but remember it's an area, alright? And you go down, 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 and you are going to hit this one, and you are going to go down, 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 you're going to hit this one, alright? You're going to go up, 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 you're going to hit this one, you're going to go down, 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 you're going to hit this one, alright? This is how you chart the support. Alright, everybody? Now, this is a level of support, alright? And this is a level of support too. Okay, now, but this level of support that it's in a rectangle, it's more relevant. Remember, everybody, a lesson that not all highs and lows are relevant. Boss, what does this mean relevant? Stronger. More relevant, or relevant means stronger, alright? Okay, now, if this would be an extension on the market wave, just an example, if this would be the extension leg of a market wave, alright? Then we are going to project levels of support, alright? So you are going to do something like this. You're going to say, alright, this is one level not aligned to the pip. Yeah, we're going to go on the live charts later. So this is going to be one level of support. This is going to be another level of support. Then you have the circles. This would be another less relevant but still level of support. This would be another level, another circle, less relevant level of support. And this would be the last level of support in this example on the chart, alright? Now, on the 4-hour chart, 2-hour chart, 1-hour chart, the market is going to start to gravitate down and start to going to make lower lows, lower highs, alright? Not on the daily. On the daily you are going to see a bearish candle, okay, something like this, in any shapes, colors, you know, whatever, doji, whatever might be the case, engulfing, we didn't learn yet. So on the daily chart you are going to see bearish candles of any kind, you know, and tails, you know, and maybe the doji, the undecision, whatever, okay? On the 4-hour chart, on the smaller time frame, you are going to see, if the daily is bearish, then the 4-hour is exactly, it's going to be bearish too. So, but on the 4-hour chart, because it's smaller, you are going to see lower lows and lower highs. Make sense, everybody? And up and down, whatever may be the case, right? But the market is going to, exactly, the market is going to retrace. Alright, everybody? We've learned so far, and this is why if you're complete new, please go back to Dukascopy Academy YouTube channel and watch all the lessons, alright? We've learned that a short-term trend on the higher time frame many times is the market wave on the smaller time frames. Boss, could you repeat please? Yes, sir. We've learned in the previous lessons that the short-term uptrend, low to high, high to low, low to high, the short-term uptrend could be a market wave on the smaller time frame. So here you have low to high, high to low. Here you have an uptrend, retracement, downtrend, extension, uptrend, retracement, downtrend. All right. Boss, I'm new. Go back. Not on YouTube, but on the other streaming platform. Go to Dukascopy Academy and watch lesson number 1 a few times, and then you go lesson number 2 and come back here with questions. All right. And everybody, this is our last week of classes, then we go on vacation and we are back. I am back January 8th. So you have 2-3 weeks to watch the streams on Dukascopy Academy, alright? Alright, so on the smaller time frame that we are going to take in consideration the 2-hour chart or whatever, alright? Chart 4 hour, so it's going to make lower lows, lower highs. So because we are predicting on the daily, you know, this is the only past support, then we are going to predict, alright, so this is the past support on the 4 hour, 1 hour, 2, makes sense? It's the same level. Alright, now, if the market is going to react, I'm showing you in general because sometimes you could have more than one, alright? If the market is going to react to the level of past support, what is going to happen? What's the answer? Boss, I don't understand the question. Alright. If the market is going to react to past support, how is the market going to tell you that, alright, this support it's working? Most of the traders, 51% of the Forex market, it's buying in this support. Japan is buying this support, Australia, Croatia, Philippines, Finland, USA, Canada, Alaska, Brazil, Chile, Argentina, Spain, Portugal, Russia, Ukraine. They are all buying support, you know. So how is the market going to show you? Boss, what do you mean? The market is going to tell you if you are entering prematurely or not. Anybody? If you don't know, you don't know. Not a problem. Just type in the chat. I don't know. I'm going to help you. It's extension, retracement, extension theory. Yes, Switzerland too is going to buy this support. What about Switzerland? Switzerland too. Switzerland too is going to buy this support. Hedge fund trader Clara, you should know this. If Vlad doesn't know, Fisher, Sophia, and Alexander, it's alright. And Mishek. And Sandy. But Clara, it's on the chart, it's on the screen, you are looking at it. What is going to change? If this specific level of support is going to hold. Trend line, no. Counter trend line, we are not there yet. What else? What can you see? Boss, I don't get it. Alright. If the market is in a retrace, let's simplify, alright. So this is now the market is going to retrace. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, alright? until to here. If this support is going to hold, is the market going to continue to make lower lows, lower highs, or is going to change the short-term trend? If this support holds, and this, everybody, applies to all currency pairs and all time frames. Market structure, no. Can I apply to binary? No. And don't play with binary. You're going to lose in binary. Everybody, if you want to make money, go with the boring stuff, alright? Don't go into exotic stuff. Oh, I'm going to get rich in 1 year. You won't. Alright? I'm just honest with you, everybody. Stop doing stupid things in crypto. Stop trading Bitcoin. Stop trading binary options, whatever may be the case. Alright? It's a losing game. Boss, how do you know? Because I have some stupid friends that are trying to do this for decades. And not even one it's profitable. Not even one. And your friends and family too, everybody. And if I'm wrong, invite the guy to this show. Shola, you are the big boss. Everybody, remember, this is an industry, right? You don't need to spend money. They're building new product just to take money out of your pocket, Fisher. Get skilled at one market, everybody. Get skilled on the stock market. Get skilled in the Forex market. Don't waste your time in the crypto market. It's too fresh, too new. Sure, that is my opinion, of course. Yeah, my opinion, fair enough. Oh, this is just your opinion. True, this is just my opinion. But it's a fact that not even one of the YouTubers and TikTokers online selling you stuff, it's consistently profitable. Everybody, you can do a test, alright? When you find the Instagram or YouTuber or TikToker, then he's telling you, oh, you're going to get rich with Bitcoin and whatever. Tell him, oh, show me some results. Show me 6 months of my FX book. Oh, why do you want? I'm not. You can even hide the money. Just show me some results. Make sense? Yanni says, I know one guy that became rich via Bitcoin. Well, but this is luck, right? This is luck. You cannot predict that Bitcoin is going to be... Fair enough, everybody? You have no consistently profitable traders in crypto, not even one. And if I'm wrong, invite him. We're going to check upon him. But that was because there was avoiding paying tax and getting paid in Bitcoin starting. Exactly. Yeah, it's alright. Yes. Everybody, we are not trying to be lucky, right? We know I have some friends in the USA too, everybody. Alright? I have some friends who made millions with Bitcoin. And the hard truth, everybody, I have also some friends that lost houses and cars with Bitcoin. Alright? So, back to the lesson. Sandy says, short on trend change without any change in the wave. Exactly. Very good, Sandy. So going back to here, everybody, how to trade support in an uptrend, right? If this is going to hold, then you are going to see what Sandy said. You're going to see the change in the short-term trend, right? If this is not going to hold, and now this is where you must be very strict with the rules. If you see something like this, and we've learned about retracements, everybody, is this an uptrend? And everybody say hello to our captain. Our boss is here, Yanis. Say hello to the boss. Yeah, although I have to admit that I have never looked for exactly. This was pure luck, right? Trading, not buying and holding during the creep, exactly. Well, holding and investing, it's a different strategy, right? Accumulating Bitcoin, it's different. Everybody say thank you to Yanis. He's the man responsible for this series and webinars and streams. You are too nice and too humble, Yanis. You are the boss, come on. You are my boss and DogDAO boss and VibeHow. If you wouldn't be here all of these years, we wouldn't be here too. Everybody, Yanis is too humble. We're calling him the captain. Alright everybody, so you need to be very careful in here not to mix apples with bananas and learn the skill. Clara is saying thank you boss. Yanis, thank you Yanis. Kudos to Yanis, exactly. Yanis is fighting for us, teachers, traders, all of those years. He is on our side, we are on his side. Alright everybody, so this is the downtrend. You need to pay attention not to mix apples with bananas, right? So this is not an uptrend, this is a retracement still. You can get easily confused in here. Oh, this support is holding. No, it's not, this is a retracement. So you need to go on the manual and learn relevant lows, relevant highs, relevant lows, relevant highs, relevant lows, alright? Need to pay attention to the detail in trading, everybody. Now the market broke, right? Now the market broke the relevant high. Now we're in an uptrend. No problem, if anyone has suggestions to improve anything, let us know. And everybody, you can give thanks to Yanis. Give a thumb up on YouTube. Alright, we have a new marketing department in Dukascopy. Alright. And they said we need likes on YouTube. I can send you an email for the manual. Okay, after everybody, right? After the class. Alright, so now that being said everybody, I'm going to clone and I'm going to do this and I'm going to go on the 2-hour chart. Give me a second. 2-hour chart, alright everybody? So I need the high 1, 2, 3. Alright. Up in here, what was this? Give me a second. So this was 24th of October on the daily and 12, right? So need to further up, 24th of October, all right. Shola, hello my Yanis, how is family, how trading, appreciate your effort, thank you. Oh, see Yanis, people are grateful, very good. Alright everybody, now from the daily, right, we are going to, from the daily chart, right, I'm going to get out of this and this, from the daily chart. Now we set from right to left, right to left, I go left, whoops, not this one, maybe we go from here down to here and we hit, is this a high everybody? On the daily, type in the chat, is this a high? Is that a high? Circle on the daily chart. Yes or no? And then right on the daily you go left, so this is not a high, there are no highs, you go left, you go up, you have one high, you go left, 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 you go down, this is another high, in here, and you go left, 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 and then we are done about the uptrend, right? So you have one high, you have the second high, and you have the third high, right? Alright. Now, if you do the same on the 2-hour chart, we're going to zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Alright, so you don't see the future, right? And you can chart something like this. You have transparency and you can even change colors here. Alright, so you do the same. You go left and down and left and down, changing colors this time again, blue and less transparent. Alright, everybody. So you go down, 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 down. You go here, up, here, down, not a high, not a high, not a high, looking for a high, not a high, not a high, so down, here, here, here. You go down here, looking for a high, not a high, so here, and then you go up. Here, you know, you are building a set of stair up and down, alright, everybody? Down, high, alright? And there you go. Okay? Now, I'm projecting Forex Course 101 as a good analyst that the market is going to go back up at this area, alright? Boss, what does this mean when you say projecting? I'm guessing. It's an educated guess. I have another area in here. I have another past support in here. I have another past support in here. I have another past support in here. Every high, it's a past support area, right? All good? And when you see those two, so highs at a similar level, those then become stronger. Alright, now we are going to monitor the 2-hour chart, could be the 4-hour chart. Alright, we are going to zoom in, and now this is the market. The market is falling, the market is falling, the market is falling. The market is falling, falling, falling. Whoops. So something is happening in going back up, falling back down. See, everybody? If you would buy in here, this would be a premature entry. One more time, you tell me, why is that, everybody? What's the reason? Boss, I don't know. We talked about the change in the short-term trend. Beginner traders learn the skill that just because something is moving up or down, this is not the correct timing. Right? Oh, the market is at past support. Yes, it is, but how do you know that the market is going to hold and make an uptrend? Make sense, everybody? Not a confirmed trend yet. Very good, Sandy. Congratulations. So if you've been losing big so far, everybody, maybe, just maybe, you are entering prematurely. Maybe you're entering in the right direction, but prematurely, right? And moving forward, we're looking at the candles, price action. So let's see, this is going to hold. We're at another level, still making that. See, everybody here, down to down, you know, lower low, lower high, moving down, waiting, 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 monitoring the market. All right, what do you see? What do you see, everybody? Give me a second, let's see, 1, 2, alright. rectangle, is this high higher than this high? Yes or no? How can we take partial profit in a trade? Shola asked this in Forex course 202, alright? This is not the question for this stream. Everybody, do we agree that the market made a higher high compared to this high? Do we agree, everybody? Type in the chat, yes, I agree, or type in the chat, no, I don't agree. So, low to high, high to low, low to high. This is not an uptrend yet, this was still a retracement. Pay attention to the detail. Only now that the market made a higher high on the relevant high, only now we are not going down anymore. So I'm going to wait for another higher low, and we have it. And I'm going to wait for another higher high one, and I want to see, oh, bam, there you go. High to low, low to high. Now you have a confirmation that this level of past support, remember it's a level, it's not a line to the pip, you know, is holding, alright? Make sense? So you have here another high. Alright, let's color code those two. So here is a high, not this one, background color, there you go. So you have a high in here. Give me a second, everybody. Circle, see the high. And this high, it's also quite strong because it's also here. This is the high. But by the way, you have two highs down here too, even. You know, we have even more past support, right? Okay. Now zooming out, everybody, zooming out. Give me a second. All right. Now zooming out. Here it becomes a strategy question, how to enter. All right. Now you have, talking about the strategy, you have, I showed you too much already. You have two choices, all right? It's called conditional close on JForex says, Shola, the captain, it's answering you. It's called conditional close on JForex. Go to position list and right click on it. It show conditional close one can. Thank you, Yanis. Now everybody, you must decide, alright, you must decide on what you are going to trade. What does this mean? Are you going to trade the short-term trend on the daily? Alright, so low to high, high to low, low to high. Are you going to trade the short-term trend on the daily and the stop loss goes down in here? Background color red, there you go. Even better background color, this one. And foreground color, alright. Or are you going to buy the 2-hour short-term uptrend, make sense? And the stop loss goes in here. Or are you going to buy the yellow, I'm here, okay, right. Or are you going to buy the yellow market wave on the 2-hour chart? Which equals the stop loss on the daily, right? Now this is a strategy question, you need to decide what you are going to do. So just to have a clearer picture, delete, 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 delete. Alright, just to have a clearer picture, everybody, delete this one, delete this one. Alright, so this is the stop loss on the daily. Stop loss on the daily. Alright? Now, how you're going to enter? You can wait for a retracement and the counter trend line break. We talked about this already. So, on the 2-hour chart, you know, you're waiting, and bam. Now here you have the counter trend line break on the 2-hour chart. Yes, you can do this on the 4-hour and 1 hour. Don't forget, from the daily, this is the risk. Whoops. From the daily, this is the risk, and that's the reward. 1 per 2, right? 1 per 2. Boss, can I trade the 2-hour? Yes, you can. This is from the daily. Alright, if you would trade the shortened trend on the 2-hour, the green one, then this would be the risk. We're going to change colors, background color green. So this would be the risk, clone, 1 per 2. Boss, can I go 1 per 1.5? Yes, you can. And clone. Alright, everybody. Now, from the daily, the entry was at roughly 106.19. 106.19 from the daily. 106.19. Whoops, give me a second. From the daily was 106. Alright, give me a second. 106. And edit coordinates 106.19, right? There you go, whatever. Alright, and this was, of course, give me a second. This is the risk, and we go 1 per 2, right? Clone. 1 per 2, clone. Or 1 per 1. Boss, can I go 1 for 1? No, not advisable. Alright? Now, let's see how this trade specifically played out. Going up, going up, going up, going upside, bam! Did we win, everybody? Did we win? Next question, can you do this? Remember, this is not a strategy, those are concepts. Boss, can I use your rules? Sure. Can you do this, everybody? Can you do this? Boss, what is better? There is no right or wrong. What is better? Trading the daily, trading the 2-hour, 4-hour. There is no right or wrong. Let's see how the 2-hour would play out, right? Let's see. So this is from the daily, out. Let's see from the 2-hour chart. How would this go? Moving forward and sideways and bam. See, everybody, on the 2-hour we would be stopped out, right? On the shortened trend. Boss, what if we are stopped out? How one of my mentors said, repeat the low. Repeat the low. What does this mean? Just repeat the process. You've been stopped out in here, you wait for the market to change the short-term trend. Right, everybody? So here you have 2 lines of past support on the 2-hour chart. Right? And the market, high to low, low to high. Now lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, still a high, yes, lower low, and then you go high to low to high. So this would be your counter to trend line break again, right? This would be your stop loss on the green again. Give me a second, everybody. And this time counter trend line break. This would be the risk, and give me a second, back, right click one more time, clone and clone, right? There you go. You would lose one, you would win one, right? Now exit full screen. We go to the daily again, higher time frame, right? Extension, retracement, extension. So here you have high to low to high, right, everybody? And the game repeats itself. So this is the new high. This is what? 20, oh no, it's 6th of November. 6th of November. 6th of November on the 2-hour chart. 6th of November. November 6 here. November 6. Give me a second, everybody. So just an example. November 6. Give me a second. 6th of November. Out, out. Just clean out the chart to have a better visual. Out, 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 out. You don't see the future on the daily 6th of November. Alright. So, but on the smaller scale, give me a second, everybody. There you go, 6th of November, zooming out. Alright. Yellow, extension, retracement, extension, retracement. So extension, you need a higher high, so we're moving forward, forward, forward. There you go. This is now the new extension. And give me a second, everybody. Yellow, like this and like this. Can we also keep continuing to trade on the daily and keep adjusting the stop loss? This is a strategy question. The answer is yes. Yes, you can. So everybody, it's now time to chart retracements up in here. And I said in the wrong way. Is now the right time to chart past support? Type in the chat, yes or no. Is now the right time to chart past support again? Well, you can see this on the daily as a bearish candle, right? Like this, or a high. It could be bearish candle or a high on the daily. What about the smaller time frame, the 2-hour chart, 1-hour chart, 4-hour chart? Is now the right time to chart past support? Type in the chat, yes, now it's the right time, or type in chat, no, it's not the right time. Not yet, why not? Shula says yes, yes. Well, there is no right or wrong, but the market, it's not retracing yet, everybody. Make sense? It's not in a retracement yet. Wait for a retracement. Fair enough? Wait for a retracement, see, down, and now you have a retracement, right, everybody? Low to high to low. Alright? No, this is not a rule, it's kind of a suggestion. And there you go again, right? That's the high, you go down, this is a level, past support, past support. Past support, past support, past support, past support, past support, past. You're looking for highs, right? But it's an area, past support. All right, everybody. And we're almost out of time. We're almost out of time, everybody. Let's see how on the next one the market is going to retrace or reverse. Alright, let's see the market, and we're going to make this thicker. Alright, so here you have, right? If you chart, did the market respond to past support again? Did the market respond to low to high, high to low, low to high? Do you have a confirmed uptrend at the first level of, well, maybe not the first level because this is the first level, but the second level of past support? Did the market respond? Did this past support hold? And you would put the stop loss down in here, maybe, it's up to you. Or down in here, up to you again. There is no right or wrong. Those two are different patterns. Background color, there you go. And would you make money in both cases? 1 per 2, 1 per 1.5? Yes, yes, yes. Can you do this? And before we finish, let me see if I missed anything from the manual. So how to trade support in an uptrend. So market wave, and we called markets, alright. So Forex course 101 analyst hint, projection, where is the end of the retracement or change in the short-term trend. We talked about this, we covered this. Right, we talked about how to chart past support. Once you drew the stair, then you place horizontal lines. I didn't say this, but you can do like this too. Alright, past support, there you go. Alright, so tomorrow is going to be how to trade support in a downtrend, maybe. It's called the retracement trading. Alright everybody, our time is up, but we can't know the past support market, we can obey, can we? Shola, you are projecting. Make sense? Real life trading example, Shola. USD CHF weekly chart. Alright, Shola? Real life example, real trading example. Upper band somewhere, lower band somewhere, alright? So the market made a higher high on the weekly, alright? Now, if you go on the daily, then you would project some level of past support, agreed? Down, left, down, not a high, yes, a high, down, left, high, 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 all of this is past support, high, 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 and I'm not sure down here, anyway. Make sense, everybody? And Shola, so you are projecting, it's a projection. Oh, maybe the market is going to react in here. Oh, maybe the market is going to react in here. Oh, maybe you don't know. It's a projection. Make sense? Make sense? So yeah, you don't know. It's a guessing game. But Shola, this is for you and everybody else, alright? So this is the market making, this is an uptrend, alright? So you have an uptrend as a pattern. You have an uptrend line giving support to the uptrend. Alright? And now you have past support in here, or you have past support in here, So the more the market is falling, listen to this, Shola, the higher or the stronger the convergence is. Alright? So this would be the best entry in terms of probabilities, Shola. Okay? Why? Because the market is near at the uptrend line. Alright? And the market is past support, and the market is still in an uptrend. This is where the market is converging. Okay? Now, sometimes, 7 times out of 10, the market is going to continue. 3 times out of 10, the market is going to break and reverse. And it's going to move from uptrend to downtrend. Alright everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow. Remember, this is our last week. Till tomorrow, stay strong and study how to trade support in an uptrend.